Now let's explore one of the most powerful features on the platform, prompt trading. On the prompt trading dashboard, navigate to the My Strategies tab. To create a new strategy, click the Create Strategy button to open the strategy wizard. If unsure, select one of our starter prompts to get started quickly. Enter a strategy name, something descriptive like Gold Breakout Strategy. In the text box, type what you want the AI to analyze or execute in simple plain English. For example, trade gold on the 15-minute chart. Enter on bullish breakouts with RSI above 50. Risk 1% per trade with a 2-to-1 reward target. You can optionally click the polish button to let AI enhance your prompt. You can accept or reject the changes. This feature allows you to trade using simple natural language instructions, letting the AI understand exactly what you want to do. An instant preview will appear showing you the parameters the AI has extracted from your prompt. These will be used to autofill the strategy settings. When ready, click Next. Step 2 is Trading Context. Here you can configure percentage of capital to risk per trade, your position limits, including maximum open trades, max trades per symbol, and daily loss limits. Configure trading pairs you want your strategy to use if not mentioned on the prompt. Then set the time frame that the strategy should be running on each analysis. Once done, click Next. On this step, you will set up AI configuration. So click on Trading Approach, select the methodology AI should use. Next, click on the Entry and Exit section and fill out your preferences. As such, we recommend you use percentages if you use multi-symbols. Fill out your entry strategy of preference. Open the trading filters and adjust confidence for AI, min risk-reward ratio, and confluence factors. If you have setup types, check them on the section. Provide exit rules parameters, then click Next. Finally, before anything is saved, you'll see a confirmation preview so you know exactly what the AI is about to do. The AI validates your strategy and shows entry conditions extracted from your prompt, exit rules, including stop loss and take profit indicators being used, warnings if something looks risky, and suggestions for improvements. You can edit or delete any detected condition or add new ones manually. Remember to review all your preferences before you proceed. You can also copy and/or edit your prompt on the review screen if not satisfied. If everything looks good, click Create Strategy. Your strategy is now saved but paused by default. It won't execute trades yet. Find your strategy and click the power button to activate it. When the button turns green and shows active, your AI strategy is live and monitoring the market. To pause it, simply click the power button again. When you confirm the action, the trade is sent directly to your connected MT5 account. With prompt trading, your trading ideas are instantly transformed into action.